Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope fit and healthy. So today we are going to start with Geography Chapter 4, Air. Children, all of you know that our earth is surrounded by a huge blanket of air. What is that blanket of air called as? Yes, it is called as atmosphere. Very good. Atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? The envelope of air which surrounds the earth is called as atmosphere. Children, the presence of the atmosphere has made the earth a unique planet. It has life-giving gases like oxygen for human beings and animals and carbon dioxide for plants. Therefore, it provides us air for breathing. Children, this atmosphere also protects us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Suppose if the atmosphere is not there, what will happen? We will be baked by the heat of the sun during the day and we will freeze during the night. So it is the atmosphere which protects us from the temperature of the sun. Children, what is atmosphere? The envelope of air that surrounds the earth is called as atmosphere. Children, do you know that the air we take in while breathing is a mixture of many gases? It is a mixture of colorless, odorless and tasteless gases. So let us study about the composition of atmosphere. First of all, we will study the main features of the composition of atmosphere. So the main features of the composition of atmosphere are: air is a mixture of gases, water vapor, dust particles and smoke. The two main gases present in the atmosphere are nitrogen, which is about 78%, and oxygen, which is about 21%. The other gases present in the atmosphere are carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon, hydrogen, which is about 1%. These gases are present in very lesser quantities as compared to nitrogen and oxygen. Now let us study the pie chart which will give you the percentage of different constituents of air. In this diagram, nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21% and other gases 1%. Nitrogen is the most plentiful gas in the air. When we inhale, we take some amount of nitrogen into our lungs and exhale it. But plants need nitrogen for their survival. They cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. Bacteria that live in the soil and roots of some plants take nitrogen from the air and change its form so that plants can use it. Oxygen. Oxygen is the second most plentiful gas in the air. Humans and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. In this way, oxygen content in the air remains constant. If we cut trees, then this balance gets disturbed. Carbon dioxide is another important gas. Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. Humans or animals release carbon dioxide. The amount of carbon dioxide released by humans or animals
seems to be equal to the amount used by the plants, which make a perfect balance. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is gradually increasing. This is due to the increased burning of fossil fuels like petroleum and deforestation. Thus, we must plant more and more trees to balance carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
So children, today we have studied about what is atmosphere and composition of air in the atmosphere. In the next class, we will continue with the next topic of this chapter. Thank you children and have a nice day.